In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change details in Agile CRM. We'll walk through how to update your personal profile information, including things like your name, password, time zone, and notification settings. This is useful anytime your details change, or if you just want Agile CRM to better match how and when you work. First, make sure you're logged into your Agile CRM account and you're on the main dashboard. Look toward the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your user icon. This might be a small avatar, your initials, or a simple profile symbol, depending on your account. Go ahead and click on that user icon. When you do, a small drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose the option labeled Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page, where all of your user-specific settings are stored. On the profile page, look for a button or link that says Edit Profile. Click on that to switch your profile into edit mode. Once you're in edit mode, you'll be able to change several key details. You can update your name, which controls how your identity appears to other users in the system and sometimes in outgoing communication. Make sure the spelling is correct and reflects how you want to be seen by teammates and contacts. You can also update your password. If you decide to change it, choose a strong, unique password that you don't reuse on other sites. This helps keep your account secure. Some systems may require a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, so be prepared to meet those requirements when you type in your new password. Next, adjust your time zone. This is especially important if you've moved locations or if your original time zone was set incorrectly. The time zone setting affects how dates and times appear on tasks, appointments, and automated workflows, so having it set accurately helps you avoid confusion and missed activities. You'll also see options for notification settings. Here you can decide how and when Agile CRM notifies you about events such as new tasks, deals, or messages. Take a moment to review these and choose what fits your workflow so you're informed without being overwhelmed. Once you've made all your changes, scroll down if needed and click the Save button. Wait a moment to ensure the page confirms your updates. After that, your new profile details are active and ready to use.